Good afternoon, class 6th. So today we are going to start with the book exercise of this lesson, the Olympic Games. Yesterday we have completed the question answer part. I have given you the extra words in vocabulary also. And today we are going to start with the back exercise. I hope all of you are completing your notebooks with me only, because after your exams we are going to come to your house and check your notebooks. So all of you complete your notebooks, because I am sending work regularly, so you must be regular also. Now we'll start with this. The Olympic Games are named after Olympia. Olympic Games were first held in Greece. How many colors are there in Olympic symbol? 5. So we can write one more question also. What does the Olympic symbol represents? We can write this question also. It's a good question. So we can write it down. All of you note it down. One more question, we'll do this. Yes, it's a good question, and one more extra question we are going to do. Yes, all of you write down one more extra question. Today is... Huh? Bunnu? Date?
5 December.
Class 6th. So this is the Olympic game. This is one more extra question I have formed from the lesson. Write down the question number 7. We have done 6 questions already, and one more we want to do it. What does the Olympic symbol represents? Yes, what does the Olympic symbol represents? Can you tell me? So the answer is the Olympic symbol which you see in the shows how many? 5 circles. So you will write shows 5 interlocking. Interlock कर रहे हैं ना एक दूसरे को. The yellow is interlocking the blue and black, and green is interlocking the black, and so all these 5 circles are interlocking each other. So they are showing 5 interlocking. Colors are blue, yellow, black, green, and red rings. Either you can say them circle or rings, one and the same thing. So there are 5 rings in this symbol, Olympic symbol, and which represents on a white field. It should not be forgotten, because the base is white, on the white field, right? So the symbol represents the continents. Okay, how many continents are there? Yes, class 6th. Continents of the world joined in friendship. So it shows the interlocking of the friendship of all the continents of the world. So it gives a very good lesson to all that Olympic Games is a symbol of the friendship of or the linking of all the continents of the world, and all these five colors represent the colors in the flag, because all the countries of the flag have these five colors in their flag. उनके फ्लैग में इनमें से कोई भी एक कलर ज़रूर है. So it represents that the continents of the world, five continents of the world, they are interlocking each other, they are intermingling, and they are showing the intimate relationship of the friendship. Interlocking, that means. So with this we have completed one more question of extra question. This is an extra question of the Olympic Games. It's a section 3. Of unit 4, I think. Yes, it's the section 3 of unit 4. Section 3, unit 4. So one more thing I want to share with you, class, that after finishing every unit, every unit is dedicated to one theme. There is a one theme of each unit. Suppose now we are doing the unit on sports. So when we will complete this unit, so we will do one writing skill related to this topic, sports. Is it clear? So we will do one paragraph or a long question, article, speech, letter, anything. So it should be related to that writing skills, and theme will be the topic of the unit. Is it clear to all? Now we come to the exercise part. Language skills. We have done this. Look at these sentences. A very enthusiastic Frenchman called Bertrand Pierre de Coubertin, who firmly believed that the physical development was important, suggested that the games he revived. The young men and the women who came from all over the world to compete in the various sports live in an Olympic village. So you can see that in between the commas are used. So these sentences are very long, and we get bored to read such sentences. To make reading interesting, we use commas that separate long sentences into parts. Whenever we are having a very long sentences, so we use commas in between to give a pause, short pause. जिसे हम हिंदी में जैसे हम कॉमा को बोलते हैं ना, अल्प विराम बोलते हैं शायद, अल्प विराम बोलते हैं शायद, means a small pause. So similarly in English it is called as comma. We put commas to give a break in the sentences and to make the reading more effective plus more interesting, because we can't read the long sentence in one breath. So for that you need to put commas in between so that we can understand the meaning of the sentence properly, and it should be well read and well understood also. So now the use of commas at the appropriate places. Now we have to use the commas. The Southeast Pole, comma, a featureless spot in the freezing wilderness, was first reached by Amundsen. The toothbrush, according to the 17th century encyclopedia, was first invented in the China in 1498. Interpol, the first international crime fighting organization, was formed in 1923 in Paris. Delhi, the capital of India, is a beautiful city. Anders Celsius, a Swedish astronomer, introduced the centigrade scale in 1742. Now comes the word bar. Write the verb form of the following. Now here the word is establishment, and we have to make the verb form. So the verb will be formed when we will write establish. इनविटेशन का क्या वर्ब होगा? इनवाइट. डिपार्ट, एंटर, डेकोरेट, कलेक्ट. Rewrite the following using apostrophe. The chariot of the king means it shows the possession. Now, whose chariot is it? It is king's chariot. So we will write king apostrophe as chariot. Is it clear? It shows the apostrophe shows the possession. The books of the children. Now, whose books? Children's, because it's a plural. So we'll write children's book. The gloves of the wrestler. Wrestler's glove. Kindness of lion. Lion's kindness. Feet of the giant. Giant's feet. Error correction हमने करनी है इसमें. What time do you finish work, Meena? So they say that correct the errors in the word order. You find word order. उन्होंने जो words हैं वो आगे पीछे लिखे हुए हैं तो हमें उसमें correction करनी है. What time do you finish work, Meena? Well, I finish often about 6 p.m. I finish often नहीं होगा, I often finish होता है. But it is sometimes later. I do not get often time. I often don't get time. यहाँ पे आएगा often. उससे भी पहले आएगा. We'll write I often do not get. ये इधर आ जाएगा. I often do not get home until 8 p.m. Then I go always straight to bed. We'll write here what they mean to say is. Okay, we'll write here. They've given the filling the blank. But in the next sentence, they have not given the filling the blank. There are a lot of mistakes in this book. I do not get often home. I often don't get home until. Get home until 8 p.m. Then I always go. Then I always go. Then I always go straight to bed. What time do you get up? What time do you get up? ये तो ठीक है. I get up usually. I usually get up. Usually इधर आएगा. I usually. Yeah, it will come. यहाँ आएगा. I usually get up at about 5 p.m. to do some cooking. I rarely. Here it will come. यहाँ पे आएगा. See, here it will come. I rarely get up later than 6 a.m. because the children have to go to school. I am इधर आएगा. I am इधर उसके बाद आएगा always. Busy in the evening, but my husband often helps me to cook the dinner and he and sometimes he puts the children to bed, and he sometimes now the writing skills. Look at the newspaper items below. Use the information in the headlines to complete the paragraphs. Indians win the 2020 World Cup. So they have given us the words and we have to complete the news. The Indian cricket team won 2020 World Cup beating Pakistan by just one runs. The Delhi Police Commissioner announced that boxes and handbags will be banned in the cinema halls. 10 villagers were killed in the village near Srinagar by militants. The USA President arrived in Delhi on 20th May evening on a 4-day visit in Delhi. So with this we have completed this